Hey guys, Mitch from Shock Therapy, and today we're going to show you how to install the front links on the Kawasaki KRX. This Shock Therapy link kit is made with the best 5/8 rod ends that you can get on the market today. This install should take you no longer than an hour or two. Let's jump on in, I'll show you how to do it. Your first step is to remove the factory hardware. This is done by using a 5mm Allen socket and a 14mm wrench. You can also speed up the process by using an electric impact. Once the factory hardware is removed, go ahead and remove the link from the vehicle. Repeat these steps on the opposite side. Next, grab the link in our kit and make sure that the extended length is measured to 3 1/4 inches from center of hole to center of hole. Once your measurement is set correctly, make sure to rotate the lower rod end 90 degrees for the correct orientation for the install on the car. Okay guys, so your pro tip for today when installing this link, make sure that your jam nut is always facing down before you install it. All the spacers are the same diameter, same everything, it does not matter where they go. Install the lower rod end spacers first, followed by the bolt and washer that is supplied in the kit. Install the link onto the arm first, making sure that it is behind the mounting tab. Next, install the upper spacers, followed by the bolt and washer supplied in the kit. Attach the link to the sway bar, making sure that the link is on the outside of the bar itself. Repeat these steps on the opposite side. Once both links are installed on the vehicle, it is now time to tighten all of the hardware. Once your hardware is tightened, you can now lock all your jam nuts with a 15/16 wrench and your installation is complete. We hope that this video helped you with the installation of your front link kit at home. And remember to check that jam nut, make sure it's tight after the first 100 to 300 miles. If you like this video and you want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, drop a comment, and hit the bell to be notified anytime that we post a new video. And as always, if you need any replacement parts, be sure to visit the website at www.shocktherapist.com, or for any technical help, feel free to give us a call at 623-217-4959. Damn, I feel good. Wow.
Nailing it, my bad. Hey, we're making good time. You only dropped 4.
Bye, Kyle.
So let's start with, might as well start in front. Got that.
Wow, I feel really good, Josh.